Welcome everyone, in this tutorial we are going to make this glowing button hover effect using HTML and CSS in the easiest way possible. Starting with HTML, this is the default code or boilerplate where we are going to write our code. Firstly, we will make a button with class gradient button which says, click me. This class name will be used in CSS for styling it. Let's move to CSS file named as style.css. Here we will style the button and give it an amazing hover effect. For body, display flex to center items horizontally and vertically using flexspot. Justify content center and align items center to aligns the button to the middle of the page. Height 100 VH to make the page take up the full height of the browser window. Background number 121212 that sets the background color to a dark grayish black. Margin 0 for removing any extra space around the page. Now, let's style the button. Padding 30 pixels 45 pixels to add space inside the button. Font size 28 pixels makes the text big. Font weight bold makes the text bold. Color hashtag FFF to set the text color to white. Background none that removes the default button background. Border 5 pixels solid adds a 5 pixels thick border. Border image slice 1 and border image source creates a gradient border with cool colors. Border radius 8 pixels for slightly rounding the button corners. Position relative and overflow hidden prepares the button for effects, like hover animations. Cursor pointer changes the cursor to a pointer when hovering. Transition all 0.3 seconds ease in out, for smooth animation when hovering. Finally, the hover effect. Background adds the gradient color to the button when you hover. Color number 121212 changes the text color to match the background color. Box shadow adds a glowing effect around the button with soft, colored light. Now check it out. Perfect! Our button is working as dirseted with cool hovering effects and border with gradient colors. Hope you liked it. For more such contents, subscribe BH Coders and we promise you that you will be never disappointed.